Alright, problem I'll be showing you today is problem number 15. So problem number 15 is a useful and easy to remember approximate value for the number of seconds in a year is pi times 10 to the 7th. Now, question is, determine the percent error in this approximate value. So a value that's given to us in this problem is there are 365.24 days in there are 365.24 days in a year. And so in order to find out the percent error, you have to use the appropriate equation. The equation for calculating a percent error is, the actual value of what you're calculating minus the approximate or measured value of what you're dealing with. And for today, it's going to be approximate for us, and then you divide that over the actual value. So then all we have to do is kind of just plug our stuff into this equation. So first we have to we still have to do a bit more math beforehand. So first we have to figure out the actual value, how many seconds there are in a year. We can do that because they gave us this number here. To figure out the actual value, just have, so 300 have 365.24 days in a year times, so there are 24 hours in one day. This will give us the total number of hours in a year, because 365 times 24 hours. And then now we have to then you multiply another 60, and that gives us how many minutes are in a year, and then multiply by one more 60, and it'll give us how many seconds are in a year. So this will be our actual value of how many seconds are in a year. And then, looking at the equation, we just subtract that by the approximate value which is given to us, which is pi times 10 to the 7th. And then we just divide this entire thing by the actual value, what we calculated here. Just this value right here, down here. And then if you were to calculate all of that out and you keep track of significant figures, oh, and one more thing, almost forgot. In this equation, there's also a times 100 right here. That just makes it easier when getting the percent. So after plugging in all these values and multiplying by 100, the error percent error comes out to be, and while keeping track of significant figures, the percent error comes out to be 0.44621%. And that is the answer to this problem.